How to install Nicepage for WordPress. Since the export is supported only in the desktop versions, we will use Nicepage for Windows for this demonstration. Run Nicepage for Windows. Add a new website. Select one of the pre-designed examples, for example, this one. Once you have created the website, Nicepage automatically opens the first page for editing. A WordPress theme typically has the blog and post templates. Therefore, we will select a style for the blog template to demonstrate the theme export. Select Theme, Blog Template. Select a style. Click Done. Go back to the page template. Select Pages, Page 1, rename Page 1 to Home. Let's export. There are 3 export options available for WordPress. The first option is for exporting only the Nicepage theme without the content. In the export dialog, enter the zip name and select the theme option. Click the export button. The second option is for exporting only the content created in Nicepage, which will also include the Nicepage plugin for WordPress. Note that this option does not include the theme, therefore it should only be used if the Nicepage theme was installed before. In the export dialog, enter the zip name and select the content option. Click the export button. Finally, the third option is used to export both the theme and the content in one package. In the export dialog, enter the zip name and select the theme and content option. Click the export button. Since the theme and content export is the most commonly used combination, we will start with this option. Switch to your WordPress admin. Select Appearance, Themes. Click Add New. Click Upload Theme. Choose Zip File from your local export folder. Click Install Now. Click Activate. Start the plugin installation. Click the Begin Installing Plugin link recommended for the Nicepage theme. In the Install Required Plugin screen, click the Install link. Once the plugin is installed successfully, return to the dashboard. You should see the notification asking if you want to import the content. Click the Import Content button. Switch to Pages. Click Pages, All Pages in the WordPress panel to the left. Click the Home Page link to open the home page. Select the Nicepage template with the header and the footer in the Template drop-down list. Click the Update button. Click the Edit with Nicepage button to start the content editor inside your WordPress site. You should see the same editor and the page created in the Nicepage for Windows application. Preview the page in the Nicepage plugin. Click Preview. Also, click the Visit Site link in the WordPress menu. Now we are proceeding to other 2 options. Go back to the WordPress dashboard. We will install the WordPress theme without the content. Note, we have reverted the previous installation. Select Appearance, Themes. Click Add New. Click Upload Theme. Select the zip from your local export folder. Click Install Now. Click Activate. The theme is installed. Click the Visit Site link in the WordPress menu to preview. You see the blog by default for your WordPress site, and it uses the style selected in the Nicepage for Windows application. Now we will install the content. This option is used only if the theme was previously installed. As a reminder, Zip contains both the content and the plugin. First, we will install the plugin. Go to Plugins, Add New, click the Upload Plugin button, select Zip from your local export folder. Click the Install Now button. Click the Activate Plugin button. You see the Nicepage plugin in the list. You also should see the Nicepage menu appeared in the WordPress panel to the left. Now import the content. Select Nicepage. Import in the WordPress menu. Select the same zip from your local export folder. You may want to remove the previously installed content. Finally, click the Upload File and Import button. Select Pages. Open the home page. Select the Nicepage template with the header and the footer in the Template drop-down menu. Click Update. Click the Edit with Nicepage button. Preview the page. You see that the page does not have a menu. Close the Nicepage preview. Let's add a menu. Select Appearance, Menus. Select the primary navigation position for the menu. Add the home page to the menu. Click the Save Menu button. Select Pages, All Pages. Select the home page, click the Edit with Nicepage button. Click the Preview. You see, now there is a menu from the theme. Preview the WordPress site. Click the Visit Site link. You see the blog displayed by default. Click the menu. Select the home page. We are done. We hope you have enjoyed this demonstration. Click the link in the description and try how it all works for yourself. Click like and subscribe for more videos to boost your design experience. Please leave comments on how we can make all this better. Thanks for watching. Bye!